Hi, my name is Umar and I am an Odoo ERP functional consultant from Areterix Technologies. In this video, I'm going to walk through an ERP implementation that we did for a cafe in Saudi Arabia. The biggest challenge that client faced was regarding the consumption of their raw materials as and when an order is placed. So for example, the client used to serve different types of coffees and burgers and sandwiches in the cafe. So and these coffees and burgers and sandwiches were not the ready-made products. They used to produce them with raw materials in their cafe. So when a coffee is prepared, it used to consume some amount of milk, some amount of sugar, coffee, and some special ingredients to prepare a coffee. Same way, let's say if a chicken burger is prepared, it used to consume some bun, some cheese, some butter, some veggies, and some other ingredients to prepare a chicken burger. So they were confused as to when they sell a chicken burger, basically the raw materials, these raw materials should be consumed and not actually the chicken burger was in stock. So to solve this puzzle, we used an Odoo POS module along with the manufacturing module with a kit configuration to implement this functionality. So let's dive into this and see how we can achieve this functionality via Odoo. So on the screen you see my Odoo dashboard, and I have installed a POS and a manufacturing module. Alright, with the manufacturing module we are going to use the kit with the bill of materials. But quickly let me show you some of the products that I have added in the POS. So these are some of the products that I have configured for the POS. Alright, and we will dive into a manufacturing module to prepare a chicken burger to consume, basically to sell. Alright, so here I am into manufacturing module on the bill of material, and I'm gonna add a chicken burger. So to prepare one chicken burger, what raw materials do I need? So let's say I need some bun, so I need a bun 1 unit, and I might need some chicken. So let's say chicken I have in kgs, but I would need 75 grams of chicken, so I'll add 75 grams of it. Then I might need some butter. Butter comes in a kg pack, but I don't need a full kg to prepare one burger, so maybe I need some 20 grams of butter. And I might need some cheese slices, so cheese slice come in a pack of 10 slices, and so 1 unit is 10 slices, but I need only 1 unit, so I'll just add 0.1. and let's say, what do I need more? Yeah, that's it. So okay, let's put some veggies also. So mixed veggies, it comes in a kg pack, and I might need, let's say, 30 grams of it. Yeah, and to make sure you select BOM type as kit, you need to select kit as BOM type to do this configuration. Once you have set everything here, you just need to save this. Your chicken burger recipe is ready here. So basically you define your recipe for a chicken burger. Same way, if you have a recipe for a coffee, you need to define all the recipes in the bill of material. And now what we're going to do is we just need to go into our point of sale, open the register, and sell the product. So yeah, so as I am a cafe, I have configured the layout of my cafe in this way. So I have got different tables here with different kind of seatings. So let's select one table and do an order. So let's say a customer came to me and he ordered me one chicken burger. Okay, so my chicken burger comes with some homemade fries, sweet potato fries, some side dishes. So let's me add a default one with homemade fries. Add it, and let's say I need a Coke and maybe a water bottle. So right, so my audio value is 22.89. I have already, this is my existing customer, so let's say my customer name is John Doe. I'll just select it and I place the order in the restaurant. And once the order is placed, I'll make a payment. The customer pays me cash. I select cash and I just click on validate. So my order is done. Now once this order is done, we'll check out what the stock has been deducted. So I'll just go to the backend. Okay, so whenever I place a POS order, a delivery order is generated for that POS order. So if we see the delivery that is generated, we will see what the stock has been deducted. So we'll go to ship deliveries, and this is my latest delivery order that has been created. Okay, so I ordered a Coke, a water, and when I ordered a chicken burger, it consumed my raw materials, that is bun, chicken, butter. So all of this stock has been deducted from my stock. Alright, so this is how we can configure the kit configuration for any type of restaurant, a cafe, serving different types of recipes. So basically, whenever there is a stock management which requires different kind of recipe, we can do this kind of kit configuration. If you are looking for a similar solution, then feel free to contact us through our email. Thank you. Have a good day. I'll be back soon with a new implementation.